So, as you all know, that during this coronavirus pandemic, we are sitting at home, and while sitting at home, many people have got fond of computers and also want to learn programming, coding. So, do you want to learn coding in a fun way, and that too with many languages? So I'm here, Coder Cruder, with the whole series of programming languages. No, first we start with only Python, then we start with other languages, and this whole thing would be a fun. We will enjoy and also learn Python language from start to end. So do not forget to watch the series, and before seeing the videos, make sure you subscribe the channel so that you can watch all the videos of the series. And you have not learned programming, you have not written any code ever in your life, that's absolutely fine. And if you're also fond of mathematics, then coding is best for you. And the main thing is it's free, absolutely free. But it has just a little fees. We need a like in every video, share every video please everyone, and subscribe the channel, because coding will improve your concepts also. So we'll meet in the series. So bye bye.